Sincere emotion in Islam. One of the first things that draws your heart to Islam and invites you to reflect on it is the profound sincerity of emotion that it inspires. The Quran says, "The believers are but brothers." What a powerful and beautiful feeling it is to belong to a faith where every follower, regardless of where they live or what language they speak, is your brother or sister in faith. Someone who shares your joys, feels your pain, and stands by you in times of hardship. Islam nurtures not just emotional empathy, but active solidarity. A Muslim is called to give support not only through kind words, but also through real effort, financial help, and selfless action. This faith does not stop at moral encouragement, it calls for sacrifice and putting others first. As the Quran describes, they give others preference over themselves even though they are in need. What a noble thing it is to feel that those who follow this faith are part of a living, compassionate network of support where each person lifts the other in life's struggles. As the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, beautifully said, "The believer to another believer is like a building, each part strengthening the other." Yet Islam's vision of brotherhood goes beyond the boundaries of faith. It extends to all of humanity. The Quran declares, "O mankind, we have created you from male and female, and made you into peoples and tribes so that you may know one another. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of God is the most righteous of you." A true Muslim, inspired by this message, wishes goodness for all people. He invites others to virtue not merely through words, but through his character, kindness, and contribution to the world around him. He believes in working together, in building bridges, and in calling people through example to a shared path of goodness, dignity, and brotherhood.